Hello, this is Stanley Gaillard. I'm going inside my shop. So let's go. Let's take a look. I have changed the way I do business. So let's go inside. This is the shop, Stanley Gaillard Cabinet and Furniture Shop. Let's continue to go on. This is where the magic happened. You can see the shop. Now let's go and take another look. See the table I built and stained. This is the table I built and stained. Good looking table. Very nice. But this is where the magic happened. This is Stanley Cabinet and Furniture. Where we build anything. Just take a look. This is my shop. We build any kind of things in here. This is a professional woodworking shop. Take a look. This is where all the magic happens. We can build anything for you. Kitchen cabinet, furniture, you name it, we do it. Right here in the Stanley Gaillard Cabinet and Woodworking Shop. Let me build something for you. Okay? Well, this is the tour of the Stanley Gaillard Cabinet and Furniture Shop. We build anything for you. Cabinet, furniture, you name it, we can build it. All right, thanks. Bye.